outside. Oh, oh, be careful. Be careful. Ice, 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 ice. More ice. Oh, hear that? Tree branch just fell over there. I guess it's just too heavy right now. Yeah. You see those trees across from our neighbor? There's this way. Half of them is just on the ground now because the ice is just so heavy. You can't. Look at all the ice. We're getting more ice. And hey, back it up a little. See, everything everywhere is just ice. Ice. And I think I get to go inside now because we're there. Look at this. Lights is frozen. At this table. Icicle all over. So that's why you have to walk very slowly and careful so you don't bust your butt. You see all that? Look how thick that ice on the table and chair. There's more on the other table. And here, look at that. It's just covered glaze of ice. And the fence, same thing.